What's the deal, everybody? Welcome back to the studio. Jeremy Deal here, and welcome to segment 2 of the video series. So if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out, or not. I just kind of describe it all. I'm going to be covering topic matter either way. What's today's question going to be off the list? And is real estate photography in demand? Well, the short answer to that is always yes, but let's dive further into this question. Now, with today's marketplace, and this video is obviously going to be very marketplace dependent, I'm going to talk about my personal marketplace and not necessarily every marketplace, but this is just what I've noticed recently, and that is with the market slowing down after they increased all of the mortgage rates, everything is going back to a more standardized market. At least that's how it looks in my area. There's not the extreme overcharging, or not necessarily overcharging, should I say overpaying. For a long time in our area, there were lots of people paying $50,000, $70,000 over asking for a property in a day. That's no longer necessarily happened. Back to a standardized market. So this video is going to be talking about a standardized market in my area. So is real estate photography in demand in our area? Yeah, it really is. That's simple. It always is. There are always lots of properties being listed. Even though they're not selling as quickly right now, there are still lots and lots of new construction homes hitting the market. So it is in high demand. Now, there is a caveat to this that you should pay attention to, and that is quality real estate photographers are in demand. In a super hot marketplace like we just left, it did not matter your skill or the quality of images you were producing. You could just about get away with anything and charge a really low price, and that was very fine. But now that we're back to a more standardized market, it's getting much more difficult for those photographers to survive. So what you're going to need is a quality image, and more than that, you're going to need a quality customer service face. That's one of the most important things you'll notice in real estate photography is the relationships you build with these agents are very, very important. So your customer service face should be spot on, impeccable. It's one of the most important aspects of the job. Obviously, the photography or the videography and the quality of those photos and videos matter, but when it comes to landing a client and keeping a client happy in the long term, if you are a grumpy person and do not necessarily like dealing with other people, if you are more a recluse, if you prefer to be by yourself and not with other people, this industry in the long term will definitely take its toll on you, because there is constant talking with you and homeowners and agents and team members. It's a lot of conversation back and forth. So customer service is very important. High quality images are important. Now, it doesn't matter if you are producing those images or if you're sending those images off to an outsourced team, which the majority of people do these days. That's totally acceptable. Just realize that with the outsourced team, you will usually have a higher turnaround. I've noticed personally that my clients do not like a 48-hour turnaround, even though that's what a lot of editors prefer, obviously. But that being said, if you can deliver a quality image in 24 hours from the shoot and have a customer service or a smile that's impeccable on site, just a jovial person to be around, this industry is in demand for you in particular. Those are the biggest or the best attributes you can have, in my opinion, and what will make your photography business thrive, especially with real estate. If you like this, as always, like, subscribe. I got all this real estate video. I'm doing this 100 question thing. If you didn't see the last video, whatever. Either way, enjoy what you're doing. Make smart business decisions. Check in for the next question, and I'll catch you next time.